Playing your favorite games to a big screen in 0.99 latency? Well, you have to buy wavlink display adapter and multi-port. The HDMI connected to LCD monitor, connect to wavlink display adapter, connect to multi-port, then connect to your Android, tap OK, tap start record. Well, enjoy playing your favorite games, no lag, no delay, super smooth. Now if you found this video tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss my latest update. Thank you!